Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.1.03, description of parts within the process steps. In this example, within both steps 1 and 2, there are 4 parts. Step 3 has only 1 part, which is review and analysis. Finish all parts of step 1 and 2, or step 3 is pointless. Step 2 is entering prices and quantities. Part 1, introduction, explains concepts, rules, and prices. Part 2, how base prices are entered. Part 3, how door prices are entered. 4, how shelf prices are entered. Step 1 is entering dimensions and quantities. Part 1, introduction, explains concepts, rules, and dimensions. Part 2, how base dimensions are entered. Part 3, how door dimensions are entered. Part 4, how shelf dimensions are entered. The 2 steps, entering dimensions and prices, apply to all fixtures. There are 4 parts to both steps 1 and 2. Fixture design determines the number of parts for each step. For this example, the 4 parts are introduction and then the 3 features, base, door, and shelf. The number of parts results from the fixture design. If a drawer was part of the example pedestal, a 5th part drawer would be itemized in the list. This procedural structure of steps, parts, and items applies to the instruction example. Although this structure is efficient, individual circumstances may cause the user to change the process structure. This example 2.1.03 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.04.